I have a beauty for you. A 2-bedroom that has a dishwasher, washer and dryer. Ground floor, wheelchair accessible, amazing price and amazing location. This is the living room. You can put your flat screen, your sectional, everything. Check out those 2 queen-size bedrooms. Modern as a bathroom would be. Check out this bad boy. Nice deep tub. Relaxation at its best. So if you definitely like what you see, definitely contact me. I'm happy to help you for all your real estate